Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be filming a Nykaa haul. So they were having their summer sale going on and I happened to pick up a few products. In this video I'm going to share with you all the products that I bought from the sale. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just click that little red button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's begin. I'm going to start with skincare because I have very few skincare products to start with. So the first product that I got is this set of 3 masks from Loreal, and this is how they look. So it has their pure clay mask, the mattifying mask, and the red algae one. All these 3 masks come in this box and it also comes with a brush. So all these 3 masks are really good. I have used them once or twice before and so far so good. I'm really liking them. I will leave the prices of all the products in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. The last skincare product that I got is again a mask. It's from this brand called NENN. This mask has lactic acid, activated charcoal, aloe vera, glycerin, licorice and natural preservatives. This is how the mask looks. It has a very black shiny kind of color and it smells like candies. It smells very yum. Moving on to makeup, I got this BB cream by Colorbar. It's their perfect match BB cream and I'm in the shade Vanilla Creme. The shade is a tad bit darker for my skin. I have this on my skin today and it's good for the summers. It's long lasting and it's very lightweight. The next product is this brow kit from Loreal. It has 2 shades. It comes with 2 shades and it has a mirror of its own, and it also comes with its own brush. So I saw Ankita from Cornflower talking about it and I really wanted to get a new brow product because I was bored with my Sugar Arch arrival, as you guys know. It has nice colors for Indian skin tone and it matches my brow color perfectly, and it has a little bit of a waxy texture which helps to keep your brows in place. For compact, I got this L'Oreal Mat Magique Compact. I'm in the shade G2 Golden Ivory and I have been hearing a lot of good things about it, and I just love the L'Oreal Mat Magique foundation, which is the perfect foundation for oily skin girls, and I was so happy to get my hands on this, and so far I'm really liking it. It mattifies my skin, it gives a poreless even finish to my skin, and it's very good. It works very good for setting my makeup in place. It gives a airbrushed finish, especially under my eyes. For concealer, I got the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles. This is again one of their cult favorite products. Everybody talks about it and I really like it. I like it more than my Fit Me one. I feel like this has a little more coverage than the Fit Me one, and it is also a little bit hydrating than the Fit Me one. Fit Me one is a little bit thick. I think this is more blendable. So overall, I really love this. Next, I got 2 Kohl liners from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Calling Your Buff, and this is in the shade Simma Brown Now. These are very inexpensive. These are priced at ₹135 each and they come in a variety of colors. I got another eyeliner from Lakme. This is in the shade Still Grey and it has a beautiful grey color. It has sparkles. If you put it on your eyes, you don't need to apply anything because it gives that beautiful shine and it feels like you have put in a lot of effort without having to put in any effort. So this is how the tube looks. I have the same one in another color. I have used it in one of my videos. If you are someone who like shiny eyeliners, glittering eyeliners, then this is one to go for. Then I got one product from Kiko Milano. So Kiko has recently launched in Nykaa and I got their eyeshadow. This is how it looks. It has a beautiful shimmering finish to it. This is not a matte shadow and it is in the shade, I think it's in the shade Pearl Cornflower. I'll leave the shade in the description box. And this is how the color looks. It has a beautiful blue tone, pretty much like a periwinkle color, and it will be perfect for the summer. I think this is very summery. It has a very summery vibe. If you want a pop of color on your eyes, then this is a very good option. I also got this contour palette from Wet n Wild. This is their Megaglo contouring palette. I got it in the shade Dulce de Leche. I think this is how it's pronounced, and it has a banana sort of setting sort of powder and it has a contour shade. I've heard good reviews about it, so I'm really excited to try it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'll let you know once I use it. So I got a lipstick free from Wet n Wild and I got it in the shade Nudist Peach. This is what I'm wearing right now. You can see it's a beautiful peach color. It is a nude peach color. I never wore this kind of lipstick in my life, and I never had this color in my collection, so I'm really happy that they provided me this color, and it is a nice break from the regular pinks and nudes that we tend to wear on an everyday basis. I think this is a perfect color for the summers if you are fair to medium skin tone. Next I got this Nykaa BuffMaster silicone brush cleaner. I got it in the shade green. You can use this to clean your brush. You just have to swirl your brush around after you dip it in a brush cleanser or baby shampoo, and I'm looking forward to use this. Coming to the last product, I got a setting spray again from Wet n Wild. This is their Photofocus natural finish setting spray. It gives a natural finish after you have applied your makeup. I was looking for something which will give a matte finish to my face, but this unfortunately does not give matte finish. It gives you more of a dewy finish, and if you are someone who have normal to dry skin, I think this is the one to go for. It locks in your makeup, it sets your makeup for a really long time, and it also looks natural. But if you are someone who have oily skin, this might make your skin a little bit oily, but you can always go in with your beauty blender and take out the excess product. I used this 2 to 3 times before. I liked it. I will not say that I didn't like it, but I would prefer if it was a matte one. So these were all the products that I got from Nykaa's summer sale. Let me know what you guys have got, and let me know if you have tried any of these products and what you think about them. Please like this video if you also love shopping as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.